Wrapping text not working in matplotlib. I'm attempting to wrap text using wrap equals true, but it doesn't seem to be working for me. Running the example from matplotlib below. Gets me this. Text wrapping gone wrong. Any ideas on what's the issue?
Matplotlib is hardwired to use the figure box as the wrapping width. To get around this, you have to override the _get_wrap_line_width method, which returns how long the line can be in screen pixels. For example, the lambda function is just an easy way to create a function/method without having to write a named one using def. Obviously, using a private method comes with risks, such as it being removed in future versions. And I haven't tested how well this works with rotations. If you want to make something more sophisticated, such as using data coordinates, you would have to subclass the text class, and override the _get_wrap_line_width method explicitly.
Possible instances